Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and in this video we're going to cover how to promote Warrior Plus products. So let's dive into this, and I'm already in my Warrior Plus account in my dashboard, so I presume you already have an account with Warrior Plus. So let's just log into it, and here is basically, in this video we are going to cover few different topics. First of all, we're going to talk about how to choose the correct product. Then we're going to talk about what kind of traffic you should use and you can use. And lastly, we're going to talk about the right strategy to implement in your affiliate marketing business. So let's dive into this, and let's start with choosing the right product. So first of all, there are different options for you to choose the correct product. Now, as you can see in my dashboard, here are like top products lists. Now, you can either filter it by today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. What I like to do is filter it by last 30 days, because that's like just more accurate, gives me, more value, that literally these are for the past 30 days, literally the best sellers, right? However, what I like to do is check all of the products. So I'm just going to click on affiliate and offers, and I can actually close this one. And here you have a list of all the products that are available on Warrior Plus for you as an affiliate marketer. So you will have a different number of filters that you can use, and they are very, very helpful. So let me just load up, and here is the list. Perfect. So what regarding these filters, what are very, very helpful for you is, first of all, the refund rate. A refund rate basically states how many, what's the percentage of the refunds for the customer of that product. Very easy, right? And so the less is better, obviously. And the number that I am looking for, and I genuinely don't like to go above it, is 3%. And it's just a little bit of a subjective number that I've chosen. I do like 3, and I do think that if the product is good, the refund rate should be very, very low. Now, for the other filters, you don't necessarily need to pay too much attention to it, especially the average sale visitor value conversion rate. However, what you want to check is the sales. Sales is, first of all, will show you the volume of selling, right? And so if the product is good and it's selling, then it's amazing and it's great to choose from, right? That's the product you want to promote as well. Now, the filter that I really like is the release date. And what the release date actually helps you to do, or allows you to do, is to choose two different strategies. Either you can go for a product that is well established on the market, and it's there for, I don't know, a few months or even a year or few years, or you can go for something that is literally brand new on the market, and nobody or very few people are promoting it, and customers don't really know about it, right? So those are the two options you can possibly go for. However, what I'm going to show you now is what to look for in the product itself. So I'm going to open up like a random product. Let me just, this second one. So this is probably a brand new product as it is. Okay, so in what we want to do and what we want to check and look for in the product itself is, first of all, what is the actual sales page of this product, right? What are they offering? What are they promising, or what is this product all about? So I'm going to, you want to check, you can check the product page or by clicking on view JV page, right? I was a little bit quick, sorry about this. So here is the actual sales page which customer is going to see, right? So you want to see if it is something you want to promote, right? If it appeals to you, if it is something you can promote or you want to promote, if it is likable, and especially if it is, if it is not like over promising and so on, if it is not some kind of scam or whatever it is, right? And what I always like, and what I always recommend people, is to be the customer of the product you're promoting, right? Because if you are a good promoter and you are a good affiliate promoter, you are probably promoting 1 or 2 products, not more. So it's always recommended to be the customer of your product, of the product that you're promoting, because it's just easier for you to promote the product, it's easier to talk about that product, it's easier to have the insights into it, and so on. So just go through this page, have a look at it if it is something you want to promote. Then let's just go back into the actual page of this, and we want to check the products itself they do have. This is called a funnel. Here is a funnel which is just a graphic illustration of this, but I just like to use the product. So here is all the products, all the upgrades these guys are going to offer your customer. Now, the way how it works is that when you make a sale, the customer pays and buys the product. These guys are going to offer this person upgrades on their product. And now usually Warrior Plus offers 50% commission on everything almost. So if this customer is going to buy any of these additional products, you're going to receive the 50% commission as well from all of these products, right? So this is important to check if they have enough products, if it is good products, and so on and forth. Now, if you do decide that you want to promote this product, then what you need to do with Warrior Plus is request approval, which you will get by clicking over here, request approval. Now, request approval is just to basically for the product owner to get to know a little bit more, to know how you're going to promote it, what you're going to do with it, and so on forth. Don't be scared of it. It's nothing that much of it. Sometimes I even get approved without even writing anything over here, but sometimes you do need to write some good notes. So just write literally 2-3 sentences stating why do you want to promote the product and how you're going to promote the product. These are like the 2 main topics to talk about. So once you do get approved, you will see your products. Let me just see over here in the affiliate offers, and here is show either all offers, or you can go for only approved ones, right? And so once you do that, you will see something like this, green get link, and here is your affiliate link over here. And this is what which one you are going to work with, which one you are going to promote. Now, that brings us to our second point, and that is the traffic sources you're going to use. Now, there are loads and literally many of traffic sources you could possibly go for. However, they all are divided into 2 main groups. First one is the paid traffic, and the second one is organic traffic. Now, usually the organic traffic is a little bit longer than the paid traffic. Okay, not a little bit, but longer, right? For organic traffic, you're looking at something like a blog, website, YouTube channel, Instagram channel, Facebook page, or whatever it is. You're going for things that are, I don't know what else, social media stuff and so on, and literally things that you need to create like some content on. Maybe it can be, in Facebook groups, or it can be also in, I don't know, on some forums and so on. Right? These are the organic traffic, which are great because you don't pay anything for the clicks or for the visitors. However, it takes time to build out the authority of the page, to build out the reputation, and get people to know about your either channel, page, or whatever else it is. Now, with paid traffic, there are basically, again, many of them. Paid traffic is basically you are paying for people to see your offer, right? And so with paid traffic, you have different methods. It's banner ads. You can do pay-per-click, pay-per-view. You can do Facebook ads. You can do Google ads. You can do solo ads. You can do whatever else is there. You can do article marketing, and so on forth, right? There are so many of them. And now it doesn't really matter that much which one you choose. It's more about which one is more likable for you, which one you are comfortable with, and which one literally appeals to you. However, a very important fact and a very important point in this part is that you should choose only one or two sources of traffic and really master them. So don't go for, I don't know, 5 or 10 of them. Choose one or two and be literally expert in them, because if you are going to choose 10 of them and you're going to do bits here and bits there, the only thing you're going to receive is is basically lose money from it, and you're not going to get any good at it, because you do need to literally be good at what you're doing. So choose one or two. Usually what I like to do is choosing one organic source and one paid, and just be really good at it and focus on those two. Don't go into any of the others. Perfect. So that brings us to our third point, which is the strategy to implement. Now, before I give you the strategy which I like to use and which really works, is the fact that it doesn't really matter what traffic source you are going to use, as I already spoke about. It doesn't really matter even about what platform or even the product itself you're going to promote. Now, the thing is that if you are good at promoting, if you can promote, then you can literally promote and sell anything, even a crappy product. Now, don't get me wrong, it's important to choose the right product that gives the value to the customer and so on. However, I just want to make the point that literally the most important thing is the strategy, the way how you promote. And the strategy, that the thing is that you got to think about how are you going to promote these products? What are you going to do? Are you going to just splash your affiliate links all over the place? Are you going to, I don't know, splash it on Facebook and other forums or other social medias? Or are you going to use, create a capture page or landing page, and then after they opt in, you're going to send them straight into the sales page, right? Which probably 95% of affiliate marketers are doing. Or are you going to do something different? And that's really the question. What is that different? The thing what is the key literally is to put something in between. Let me just see if you can see it. Okay, so it's very important to put something in between your landing page, your capture page, and your sales page. So you put something in between of it, and that in between is really where the magic happens, where you create something unique for the customer, and that's where the conversion rates go from 1% to 5%, right? So 5 times higher or so. And the thing what you want to put inside is you want to give value to that particular customer. You want to give them some good tip, or some solution or some exercise, whatever it is. For example, if you're in a lose weight industry and you're promoting a lose weight product, you are basically offering something on your capture page or your offer or your advertisements over there, right? And so the customer, when they come, they are basically seeking solution to their problem. They are not looking to buy anything, right? So when they get into your capture page, they leave you their email address, and you are sending them straight to the sales page. They are not going to buy because they are not ready to buy. However, if you send them to the value which you've created, and you give them a good tip on, I don't know, let's say a good exercise, how to lose weight, they are going to be that's different, because they are going to be, I received an answer to my question, and this guy doesn't even ask me to buy anything, right? And that creates the relationship between you and the customer, and these people are more likely to buy, actually 5 times more likely to buy from you than anybody else. And after you give them the value, you will have an option over here to, if you want to buy, they can buy, right? Now, I cannot really go into too much detail into this strategy, because that would be just a topic for another 20 minutes or so. Actually, it's a topic for four videos, and that's why I've created a series of four 4-day video series for all of you guys who are interested in affiliate marketing and want to learn the strategy how to implement it in your affiliate marketing business. So if you are that type of person, I encourage you to click the link below in the description, and you will get access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about this strategy and how to implement it in your affiliate marketing business even more and how to be successful with it. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope now you have an idea of how to promote Warrior Plus products, and I will see you soon, hopefully. Bye, guys.